Have you ever wondered if we could bring back animals that have gone extinct? Imagine seeing a real-life woolly mammoth roaming the plains, or a Tasmanian tiger silently padding through the forest. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but for some scientists, this is a very real goal. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of the extinction and looking at two iconic creatures that might just make a comeback. First up, the magnificent woolly mammoth. These massive, furry relatives of modern elephants disappeared around 4,000 years ago. So, what happened to them? It was a combination of factors. As the last ice age ended, the climate warmed up, drastically changing their grassy steppe habitat into forests and wetlands. This environmental shift, combined with increasing pressure from early human hunters who relied on them for food and materials, pushed the mammoths over the brink. But how could we possibly bring them back? The plan is nothing short of amazing. Scientists have found remarkably well-preserved mammoth remains in the Siberian permafrost, including frozen tissue, hair, and even blood. From these samples, they've been able to sequence the woolly mammoth's entire genome. The lead organization on this, a company called Colossal Biosciences, isn't planning to clone a pure mammoth. Instead, they're using gene editing technology, specifically CRISPR, to modify the DNA of the mammoth's closest living relative, the Asian elephant. They're inserting key mammoth genes for traits like shaggy fur, a thick layer of fat, and smaller ears to help them survive the cold. The goal is to create a cold-resistant elephant-mammoth hybrid that looks and acts just like the original. They hope to have the first calves in the next few years. The bigger vision is to reintroduce these animals to the Arctic tundra, where their grazing habits could help restore the ancient grasslands and combat climate change by keeping the permafrost frozen. Next, let's travel to the other side of the world to talk about the Tasmanian tiger, also known as the thylacine. This unique carnivorous marsupial, with its dog-like head and striped back, wasn't a tiger or a cat at all. It was native to Australia and Tasmania. Its extinction story is a tragic one, driven almost entirely by humans. European settlers saw the thylacine as a threat to their sheep and livestock. A government bounty was placed on them, leading to a relentless hunting campaign. The last known Tasmanian tiger, named Benjamin, died in captivity at the Hobart Zoo in 1936, just months after the species was granted official protection. Habitat loss and disease also played a part, but the targeted hunting was the final blow. The path to bringing back the Tasmanian tiger is similar to the mammoths. Scientists have sequenced the thylacine genome using DNA from a preserved pup specimen. The plan is to take the DNA of its closest living relative, the numbat or another dasyurid marsupial, and edit its genes to match the thylacine's blueprint. The resulting embryo would then be brought to term, potentially using a surrogate mother or an artificial womb. The hope is to eventually reintroduce the thylacine to Tasmania, where it could reclaim its role as an apex predator and help balance the ecosystem. The idea of de-extinction is incredibly exciting, but it also raises some important ethical questions. Should we do this? Do we have the right to play God? And if we bring them back, where will they live, especially when their original habitats have changed so much? These are complex issues with no easy answers. But one thing is for sure, the science is moving forward at a breathtaking pace. The possibility of seeing these lost species walk the earth once more is closer than ever. What do you think? Should we bring back extinct animals? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos exploring the wonders of our world.